Maraming hindi maniniwala sa akin dito pero believe it or not, dito sa US, hindi mo kailangan ng college degree para magkaroon ng successful na career. And this is why. So the college degree takes about 4 years. For the most part, inuutang yun ng mga tao para makapag-college sila. And on average, it's about $40,000 to $120,000 and above dollars. Habang nag-aaral ka, every month, tumataas at tumataas yung utang mo dahil sa interest. Kapag nag-drop out ka, sinayang mo yung years na pwede ka sana magtrabaho. And then, wala ka rin makukuha at nandun pa rin yung inyong utang sa bangko. So, trade school naman, few weeks to 2 years, depende kung ano yun. So, for example, like plumber, truck driving, equipment operator, electrician, and on the upside din yung apprenticeship program which is tuturuan ka habang binabayaran ka. Napaka-astig, diba? And here's the thing, mga nasa trades versus sa college degree, they're making about almost the same. Siyempre, depende rin sa experience, sa kung anong klaseng trabaho yan. Pero kung gusto mo kumuha ng sweldo kasing taas ng college degree, hindi mo kailangan ng maging college graduate. You can also go to grade school and still make the same amount of money compared sa mga tao na nakapag-graduate. So yun lang. God bless sa inyo. Bye-bye. See you later.